Hi, welcome to this first landscape photography vlog. I'm traveling to some place, a cloudy day. We just got off with the monsoon showers and it's lovely, overcast yet sunny kind of a scenario here. Traveling from Pune started off early in the morning at 7 a.m. Currently it's 12ish in the afternoon, and take a look at these shots. It's just started to rain. Had to call this buddy back.
2 hours later.
The most painful thing. No lights. Now, this is the jugaad. It was raining badly since as soon as we reached the location, but now everything has gotten clear. No rains. So I'll be setting out a timer for like 20 minutes because it's a time bound flight. So let's see. It's a challenge for me. So let's see what we can get in those 20 minutes.